Welcome back, my fantastic numismatic artistic friends. Right, what I've got is a bit of post, and it's here. Let me grab it. Nice big blue envelope, and I think I know what's in here. It was an eBay purchase. I bought it off of eBay, and I did a little bit of I had one too many sherbets one day, and had a little bit of a flutter on eBay, and I woke up, well, a couple of days later to find that I'd won this. No, I didn't wake up a couple of days later, obviously, but a couple of days later I get a notification through to say that I won this. I just thought I'd clear that up there. Right, so I'd won this, and if I think what's inside it will be something epic and awesome. So before we get on to that, I want to show you this that I purchased about a year or so back, and there's a video on this on the channel. I think it appears a few times, and it's the 2009 set. It's not the full set, you know, because that would have the Kew Garden in there and a few other nice coins, £2 coins and things like that. But I picked this up at an antique fair, well, an antique shop, an antique and collectibles shop, for I think it was £15, and I had to double check with some coin tuber friends, is the 2009 and NIFC, because why would somebody be selling it in bunk in a set for £15? I don't know, but yeah, I bought this. Now the average price on this on eBay goes for about £70 to £100. I didn't know this when I purchased it, but I know the coin was something special, and that goes for about £45, maybe pushing towards 60 sometimes, depending on condition. We've got a bunk one, and it's pretty good, and on the back it's got some nice information there. Product limit is 100,000. Maximum coinage mintage is 500,000, £500,000. So I don't know if they're right, but we certainly know that this is pretty scarce, because the coin mintage on this one is 108,816. So very, very scarce, and not intended for circulation. Just thought I'd show you that, because what I think I've got in here is something very similar. Right, let me find the scissors, my fantastic friends. Here they are. I'll not show you the other side because it's got details of the Promised Land on, and we all have to respect our privacy sometimes. So this may take a few moments, so may speed this up. So we're getting there now, we're getting somewhere there now. So I'll just peel this back. Okay, so we got into the box. Get rid of the envelope. Into the trash you go. Right, let me double check this one. It says 2010. Any guesses of what's this? Okay, so let's try and sneak this out. Now, as my good friend Callie would say, hide the evidence. Is there any evidence in here? Not sure. Get rid of the box. Well packaged anyway, so I salute you, Mr. Seller, Mrs. Seller, on this. Look at that. There we go. So that's it. Moving away from the scissors. Now, what have we got? We have got a 2010 Brilliant Uncirculated set, and of course we've got the 2010 technology coin and the shield and everything else in bunk. The small change, what they call the small change. That looks very smart. Let's have a look at the back. So, shall we get into it? Shall we get into this? Am I committing a cardinal sin? Has it ever been opened? Well, I want to know if that is a shield. I'm assuming it is, so... You only live once, right? Bear with me, this is going to take some delication. Delication? What kind of word is that? Now, probably just reducing the value of this by cutting it open, but I'm desperate to see what kind of coin it is. Well, we know what kind of coin it is, but I'm just desperate to see. There we go, get rid of that. And we're free! Okay, so the 2010. Obviously in 2010 they released the Girl Guiding coin, and I think it was Florence Nightingale as well. But there we have it. Look at that, that is beautiful. Coins are meant to be seen, aren't they? Coins are meant to be seen. 2010, a year to remember. There we go, Girl Guiding. What's that? Is that cricket? I don't know. Nice mountain in the background. And the Rovers return. Oh, I've got a joke about mountains. They're quite funny. In fact, they're hilarious. Oh, Giowa man. But yeah, what do you think of this then? So the mintage figure on this coin is 67,167, which is even rarer than the 2009. So it makes it quite a good coin to have. And also the eBay price, the average eBay price of a 2010 is for the coin itself around about £50, pushing up to 70 sometimes. And the pack price, well, this can go for about 40 quid. But what did I pay for this? What did I pay for this in this, what I call a silly mistake, a senior moment? I paid £33 plus a few quid postage, so I thought I did alright. I thought I did pretty good. Is there any mintages on there? I can't see anything. But it's pretty nice, isn't it? I'm quite pleased with that. I really am pleased with that. Yeah, very good. Very good. Right, we'll leave it there, my fantastic friends. I just thought I'd show you that and that. Getting a nice collection going already. Oh no, you know what happens when you get two of one thing? They develop into more. But have you got any of these? And have you had some late night spending sprees on eBay? If you have, let me know. And until next time, take care of the Sen. Stay safe. Happy days.